This is Mithun and you're watching Technical Mithun YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos.
Hello everyone, in this video I am going to unbox my new Samsung Galaxy on Next. Guys, whenever we are talking about the price of this mobile, it has a written 17,900. See, you will able to see here, but in the Flipkart and Amazon you will get it as a 12,000. Okay guys, if you want to buy this mobile, I am giving the link in my description. You can directly buy from there. So guys, whenever we are talking about the feature of the mobile phone, that is Samsung Galaxy On X. See, it has a 3GB RAM, then fingerprint, then whenever talking about its camera, it has a 13 back camera and 8MP front camera. So guys, this is a 4G LTE 4-bit 64-bit octa-core processor. So it has a ROM 64GB plus it has a expandable up to with SD card, that is 256GB. So guys, this is a dual SIM phone with best 3300 mAh battery backup. So guys, let's unbox this Samsung Galaxy On Next. So guys, in this box we will going to get a quick guide, then we will get a one SIM ejection pin, then data cable. It's a best quality data cable, you can see it. Then we will get a one adapter with 5 volt. Okay. So guys, when we're talking about this phone, it has a 5.2-inch display, then 13MP back camera, and you can see the 8MP front camera. Then here you will get a fingerprint. Okay guys, this is a Samsung phone. Here you will get a fingerprint for this mobile. I'm already created the basic steps for this mobile, that is logging into my Gmail account and etc. So guys, this is a very lightweight mobile and it is a black color, you can see it, right? So guys, when we're talking about the camera of this mobile is it has a 13 MP back camera and 8 MP front camera. So guys, this is the 13 MP camera and you will get a best photos in this mobile, okay? So guys, when you are looking for the front camera of this mobile is it has a 8 MP front camera, so you will capture a beautiful image on this mobile. So guys, see, you can take a beautiful image in this camera. So guys, in this video I am unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy on Next. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and also do share my video. Thanks for watching.